Alrighty, really quick video here, just to show you how I go about not grinding my gouges, but honing them. And this is something I do pretty regularly when I'm doing a lot of turning, just using a slipstone. I've got the chisel sort of against my body to keep it nice and stable, and I just roll it around, and then I'll get the bigger end, and this just puts a really nice edge on it, which yeah, you're not going to get just grinding it, no way. Same goes with the smaller gouge, so same deal, chisel sort of firmly against my body, rolling the chisel around. Done. And there you go. Super duper sharp. I don't know that the camera's going to pick that up. Anyway.